Good morning, Titans. Welcome to your virtual Titan Time for the week of September 21st. This is our 5th week of school. This is your principal, Mrs. Barker. First, we're going to go over some virtual Titan Time expectations. Please keep your headphones on. This will allow everyone around you to focus and let your teacher focus on their meeting. Please stay in your space. Please focus on the video, and please think about what it is you're learning. When you're thinking about what you're learning, please think about how you can show these expectations every day at Titan Hill. First, I want to go over my big 4 expectations. I call them my big 4 because if everybody follows these 4 expectations, we will get along just fine at Titan Hill. If you were here last year, you heard these a lot. The first one is, if someone says no, stop, or don't, your job is to stop right away. In order for something to be funny, everyone has to think it's funny. If someone's telling you no, stop, or don't, you need to listen. That's their way of telling you they don't like what's happening, and you do need to stop right away. Number 2, we are hands-off at Titan Hill. There is no play fighting, no play wrestling, no tackling, no hitting or kicking, no pushing, pinching, or poking. Sometimes the way we play at home is different than the way we play at school. These types of playing can get somebody hurt or can get somebody angry. So we are hands-off at Titan Hill. Number 3, if you cannot solve a problem peacefully, walk away or ask an adult for help. It's okay to have a problem and it's okay to be angry, but we have to be able to work out those problems peacefully. If you're too angry to do that, we do need you to walk away or come and ask us for help. We have lots of staff at Titan Hill that would be happy to help you. Number 4 is simple. Be kind. That means you treat everyone the way you want to be treated, and when you get treated unkindly, you learn from that so that you don't ever make anyone feel that same way. Remember, I give shout-outs every Wednesday on the announcements for getting caught being kind. Today we're going to go over some cafeteria expectations. When I say cafeteria, that also means Mr. Ernst's gym because we eat our meals in there as well. Remember that breakfast and lunch should be an enjoyable break from the day for all students and staff. It's a time to relax, take a break from the work, and have fun talking with your friends in a responsible way. Here are your lunchroom expectations. To be respectful, we're keeping our hands, feet, and objects to ourselves. We speak appropriately and include others. We use our manners, and we are patient. Speaking appropriately means we talk about things that are appropriate for school. Using our manners means we say please, thank you, no thank you, and excuse me. To be responsible, we make sure we have everything we need for lunch and recess, and we keep our area clean. Please use the restroom before you come to lunch and make sure you have coats, hats, gloves, and everything you need for lunch and recess. To be ready to learn, you raise your hand if you need help, and you listen and you follow all directions given by adults. Here are some more cafeteria expectations that are really important for you to follow. You'll hear your cafeteria supervisors remind you of these. Sit on your bottom, facing forward, with your feet under the table. I'm going to show you some pictures. I want you to think about if this is the wrong way or the right way to sit at the table. Take a look at this one. Do you think this is the wrong way or the right way? This is definitely the wrong way. Let's take a look at the right way. See all of the students sitting on their bottom, facing forward with their feet under the table. Armor up when you are not eating. That means your mask or your face covering should be over your nose and your mouth anytime you are not eating. Let's take a look at some pictures and see if they're the wrong way or the right way. Here you see a student not eating. He has his mask still on over his nose and mouth. That is the right way. Here you see him eating. He now has his mask down, but it's still hooked on his lanyard. What about this one? These students are not eating yet. Is this the wrong way or the right way? You're right. This is the right way. They keep them on until it's time to eat. As you're waiting in line, please stand on the yellow lines for distancing. If there's no lines, please use your arms to measure when the lines are not there. Let's take a look at some more photos. There's no lines on the floor here. Is this the wrong way or the right way? This is the wrong way. These students are too close together for our safety. Take a look at this one. All students are facing forward and they have an arm out to give them a couple feet of space from everyone else. This is the right way. Here we have yellow lines on the floor, but uh-oh, I see students not standing on them. Let's see if we can catch them doing the right thing. There they are, spaced out on the lines for safety. Here's another example. Notice how the students are standing in between the lines and they're very close together. You guessed it, this is the wrong way. How about this one? This is the right way. Can you think about why this is right? If you said it was right because they're facing forward and they're standing on a yellow line spaced out, you are correct. This is what we should see each day when you're waiting in line for lunch. Our voice levels that we can use in the cafeteria are level 0, silent, level 1, a whisper, or level 2, quiet conversation. Here's what level 0 sounds like. You didn't hear anything because that's silent. Here's what level 1 sounds like. Level 1 is a whisper. Just air is coming out of your mouth. Here's what level 2 sounds like. Level 2 is a quiet conversation. Only the people right near you can hear what you're saying. When we use these voice levels, it's where everyone's able to enjoy their lunch without a lot of noise. If everyone talks really loud, it's going to get so loud in the cafeteria, and a lot of people don't like eating with so much noise. Here are some reminders from our cafeteria staff. We have awesome workers in our kitchen and awesome maintenance workers that help to clean up and keep everything neat and tidy and safe. Please do not stick gum on your tray. If you have gum, you can wrap it in your napkin or throw it in the trash. It does not come off the trays and it's really gross for them to have to peel it off. When you dump your tray, please stack your trays facing the same way until they click. This helps them to be able to rinse the trays and get them moved out of the way easily. Always use your walking feet. There's lots of spills and drips that happen in the cafeteria, and that floor can get very slick. If you're always using your walking feet, you'll be very safe. Don't forget to stay seated until an adult dismisses you. No one should be getting up without an adult dismissing them or without raising your hand and getting permission. Finally, stay on your sticker. The stickers are on the benches for distancing. They help us to stay just far enough away to keep everybody safe during lunch. Please don't pick at or peel the stickers. It took us a long time to get all of those put on, so we want them to last as long as possible. Titans, we know you are respectful, you are responsible, and you are ready to learn. Show us the right way every day. Have a wonderful day, everyone.